Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 10th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, we got a very big push up late yesterday afternoon because of the Chinese tariffs that Trump implemented, 125% tariffs on China. Very, very, very positive for the Aussie and the Kiwi currency itself, as you can see. Now, I definitely would be recommending longs. I mean, there's no doubt that this is a pretty significant turn, especially if you go all the way up to like the weekly and the monthly time frame. We may have possibly found the bottom that we've been waiting for. We may possibly now be starting a wave C, which could bring it all the way up, maybe even all the way up to like the 0.75 area over the next couple years. So if that's the case, then we probably should be looking for longs. But the thing is I wouldn't be recommending longs right now. I would only go long if it made a decent pullback. So I have no idea whether it's going to pull back now or whether it's going to drift up later and then pull back later on. I'm just saying that when it does pull back, that's where I would be recommending longs is at the end of pullbacks, especially if they're three-way pullbacks that bounce off Fibonacci levels for the continuation of the uptrend. If you try to go long now, what's likely to happen is it's just going to turn down. So be very careful. I would recommend longs, but I would also be recommending to wait for pullbacks in order to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.